Sechaone Coffee is a rural SME cafe located in Perlis, Malaysia, established in 2003. More than just a coffee shop, it represents a successful blend of entrepreneurship, lifestyle, and digital innovation. Sechaone Coffee offers a unique glasshouse experience surrounded by beautiful paddy field, creating an atmosphere that attracts customers seeking relaxation, nature, and memorable cafe experience. Its experience-based business model focuses not only on quality beverages, but also on providing an aesthetic destination that encourages visitors to spend time, connect, and share their experience online. Sechaone Coffee has built a strong digital presence through TikTok, Instagram, and Google Business, allowing the cafe to reach wider audience, increase visibility, and maintain strong engagement with customers. With an impressive customer rating of 4.9 stars, this cafe demonstrates how excellent service, attractive ambience, and effective digital marketing contribute to customer satisfaction and loyalty. Sechaone Coffee is a great example of how rural businesses can leverage digital entrepreneurship to create sustainable growth, enhance customer experience, and strengthen their competitive advantage in today's market.
This slide summarizes the key findings about our analysis of Sechaone Coffee. From our study, we found that Sechaone Coffee is very strong in attracting customers to digital platforms. The cafe actively using TikTok, Instagram, and Google Business Profile to promote its business, together with its unique glass house concept. These platforms have increased brand awareness and attract many visitors. However, there is one major issue. Although the cafe is successful in marketing, its internal operations system are still not fully integrated. For example, it has limited use of cloud post, CRM, and data analytics. This means customer information is not managed systematically, and most business decisions still rely on the owner's experience instead of accurate business data. As a result, when customers' demand increases, especially during peak hours, the cafe may experience longer waiting times, slower service, and operational efficiencies because the system cannot support the growing numbers of customers. Therefore, our main finding is the Sechaone Coffee is strong on the front end but weak on the back end. The front end focuses on attracting customers through digital marketing, while the back end refers to the operational systems that manage the business efficiency. In conclusion, digital marketing helped Sechaone Coffee grow, but to achieve sustainable growth, the business now needs to strengthen its operational system through technology integration such as post, CRM, and data analytics. Thank you.
Based on question 3, Sechaone Coffee shows a medium level of technology readiness. The company actively uses TikTok, Instagram, and Google Business Profile for marketing and customer engagement. This indicates that the business has moved beyond basic digital awareness. However, there is a gap between front-end and back-end capabilities. While marketing tools are well developed, the company still lacks cloud post, CRM, and analytics system. This finding relate to Chapter 5, particularly organizational agility and technology capability development. The founder is willing to learn and experiment with technology, but the learning process is still informal and not supported by a structured system. Therefore, Sechaone Coffee is digitally visible but operationally not fully digitalized. For question 4, the analysis focused on networking for competitive advantage. The company mainly built networks through customer relationship, community engagement, and participation in industry events. Social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram also help increase exposure and attract potential partners. This relates to Chapter 10, which is discussion, ecosystem integration, and strategic partnerships. The finding also support the crazy quad principle, where entrepreneur creates opportunities through collaboration with others. However, Sechaone Coffee still relies on informal networking and lacks structured partnership with institution, mentor, and industry organization. Based on the interview, 3 important personal values can be identified. The first is creativity, which can be seen through the unique glass house cafe concept and experience based on branding. The second is risk-taking. The founder was willing to establish a cafe in a rural area and use social media as the main marketing channel. The third is achievement orientation, which is reflected in the effort to maintain customer satisfaction and high online rating. From this interview, I learned that technology entrepreneurship is not only about creating new technology, but also about using technology effectively to create value for a customer. I also learned that while creativity and digital marketing are important, long-term business success requires proper systems such as CRM, post, and data analytics. Thank you. I will now pass the presentation to Roy for the recommendation and limitation section.
Assalamualaikum. Based on our analysis, we identified several recommendations to strengthen Sechaone Coffee long-term competitive. For the current recommendation, Sechaone Coffee should implement a cloud POS system to automate transactions, improve inventory management, and support feature in invoice compliance. The company should also adopt a CRM system to strengthen customer relationship through a loyalty program and promotion. Digital marketing should be diversified beyond TikTok to platforms such as Instagram and Google Business Profile. For future recommendations, Sechaone Coffee should explore AI and automation technologies such as chatbot and predictive analytics to improve efficiency and customer service. Company should also build strategic partnership with organizations such as SME Corp, MDEC, University, and tourism agency. However, this recommendation may face several limitations, including financial constraints, digital skill gap among employees, and the need for strong management commitment. Overall, digital transformation is crucial for Sechaone Coffee to remain competitive and sustainable in the future.
Assalamualaikum. In our conclusion, Sechaone Coffee shows how creativity, technical knowledge, and digital marketing can help a small business succeed through TikTok, Instagram, and Google Business Profile. The cafe has successfully attracted customers and built a strong brand image. However, the business still depends on manual operations such as order management and customer data handling. To achieve long-term growth, Sechaone Coffee should adopt technologies such as cloud POS, CRM, and invoicing system to improve efficiency and support future expansion. The findings also show that technical skill can provide a competitive advantage, even in the food and beverage industry. In addition, regulatory change like invoicing should be seen as opportunities to improve business operation. Finally, strong brand alone is not enough. Business must combine attractive customer experience with efficient digital system to achieve customer loyalty and sustainability growth. Thank you.